Hey guys, Matthew here. Welcome to the Cisco WebEx Teams tutorial channel. WebEx Teams is an extremely versatile application which can be used to facilitate classroom functions or, more generally, to enhance communication in the workplace. In this introductory episode, we will explore the various functionalities of WebEx Teams, and we will see how to get up and running on desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Future episodes on this channel will further explore the functionalities of the WebEx Teams application. But for now, let's go ahead and jump into the objectives for this video.
You may have heard people talking about Cisco Spark recently and be wondering, what happened to Cisco Spark? Well, Cisco WebEx Teams is Cisco Spark, with a different name and a different logo. If you downloaded the Spark software, just drag it to the recycle bin and follow the steps in this video to download the WebEx Teams software. WebEx Teams is a combination of various applications which you are likely already using. It allows for real-time video conferencing similar to Skype or FaceTime. It has a cloud-based file sharing system similar to Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Also, it has a group messaging feature which is similar to the Remind app or the group messaging which you have available on your smartphone. Additionally, multiple users are able to simultaneously annotate and share a whiteboard. This can be done from various devices, synchronously or asynchronously. Further, you are provided with a personal WebEx meeting space from which you can host more advanced webcast meetings. These meetings have various display options and can be accessed through various devices. We will explore each of these functionalities further in future episodes, but for now, let's go ahead and see how to get up and running with the software on any device. On a desktop or a laptop, simply do a Google search for Cisco WebEx Teams and follow this link. Once you're on the WebEx Team page, click on Download Teams and wait for the client to download. Once it's done, click on it and walk through the installation wizard. Enter your Northwest Shoals email and create a password. Once you're signed in, you'll see the space for all your conversations and the options to access the different functionalities. The install wizard will also create an icon on your desktop. On a smartphone or a tablet, access your App Store and do a search for Cisco WebEx Teams. Download the application to your device. Open the application and again enter your Northwest Shoals email and the password that you created on your desktop or laptop. When you sign in, you'll see that your home page looks very similar to what it does on your desktop and laptop. You have all your conversations and the icons to access the different functions. I hope that you've enjoyed this video on the Cisco WebEx Teams tutorial channel. And I hope you know something now that you didn't know 5 minutes ago. Until next time, I'm Matthew. I'll see you later.